Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to categorize credit card payments in YNAB. When you add a credit card to YNAB, it automatically creates a specific payment category for that card. When you make a purchase using your credit card, you categorize that transaction to its actual spending category, such as groceries or utilities. YNAB then automatically moves the money you've budgeted for that spending from the spending category to the credit card payment category, preparing it for your payment. When it's time to pay your credit card bill, you'll record this as a transfer in YNAB. Go to your checking account and create a new transaction. Select Transfer to Credit Card and choose the specific credit card account you are paying. The amount you pay should ideally match the available amount in your credit card payment category, ensuring you're paying off your budgeted spending. Sometimes, you might accidentally overspend on a credit card. If this happens, you'll notice the available amount in your credit card payment category will turn orange, indicating a problem. To resolve this, you need to move money from another budget category where you have available funds. This reallocates money to cover the overspending, ensuring your budget is accurate and you have the funds ready for your payment. If you carry a balance on your credit card, YNAB treats any new purchases as new debt. To pay down this existing debt, you must budget money directly into the credit card payment category itself, rather than through spending categories. Conversely, if you return an item purchased on a credit card, the refund will increase the available amount in that card's payment category, making more funds available for your next payment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.